If you want more stamina, better endurance, and stronger legs, lower body training is a game changer. Your legs hold the biggest muscles in your body, and when you train them properly, your overall stamina improves fast. Today, I'll share some of the best lower body exercises that help you last longer and stay energetic throughout the day. First up, squats. Squats are the king of lower body exercises. They work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings all at once. Doing squats regularly improves muscle endurance and boosts blood circulation, helping you build long-lasting stamina. Start with bodyweight squats and increase reps as you get stronger. Next, we have lunges. Lunges are amazing for balance and endurance. They train each leg separately, which improves muscle control and strength. Walking lunges or stationary lunges both help build stamina and keep your legs active for longer periods. Third is step-ups. Step-ups are simple but very effective. All you need is a bench or a sturdy platform. This exercise mimics real-life movements like climbing stairs and improves leg endurance, especially for daily activities. Another powerful exercise is wall sit. Wall sits test your mental and physical stamina. Holding the position for 30 to 60 seconds builds strong thighs and teaches your muscles to stay active under pressure. Finally, calf raises. Strong calves support better balance and endurance. High-rep calf raises improve lower leg stamina and help reduce fatigue during long workouts or walks. Consistency is the key. Train your lower body 2 to 3 times a week, focus on proper form, and gradually increase intensity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness and stamina-boosting content. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.